Salesforce Chatter is a new way to collaborate with people in your company, in real time, in a private, completely secure way. This is your homepage. Right away, you can see how Chatter brings your business applications to life. The first thing you see is your picture and your latest status update. When you click on your picture or on the Profile tab, you're brought to your work profile, where you can share your skills and background with everyone in your company. In the middle of the page is where you post your status. It's where you let everyone know what you're working on. You can also attach links and files to go with your updates, whether you're at a conference looking for new business or just asking your colleagues for advice. People can see your status in real time and respond immediately with helpful information. Now let's take a look at the People tab. Here you have a private corporate directory that makes it easy to find colleagues and follow them if you want to see their updates. Back on our homepage, you can open your main Chatter feed. It puts all of your updates right in front of you in one place. You can see updates from the people you're following, plus you can immediately see when new files have been updated, like this presentation. But Chatter helps you do a lot more than follow people. You can also keep track of everything that's happening with your applications and specific records that matter to you, like updates from your deals, your customer cases, and your custom app records, like this project. Here you can see an update to an account you're following. From your feed, you can drill right into the underlying detail. Here we are on the account record. You can see all of the account details and can expand the Chatter feed to see the latest updates. At the top is where you can choose to follow this account. Here you can see who else is following it. And if you created or own this record, you will automatically follow it. You'll also automatically follow the people and records you work with most often. With Chatter, every record also has its own feed. For example, people from across the company who work on this account can collaborate on it right here. When someone makes a change or a document is modified, everyone who's following is immediately updated. With Chatter, you can also create groups to collaborate on any team project, whether it's a sales opportunity, an HR project, a product, or your team. You can create groups in just a couple of clicks. You simply choose whether you want a public or a private group, and then invite your colleagues to join. Here's a group for a consulting project related to this account. Finally, you can bring Chatter with you on the road. It works with your mobile device, like your iPad, iPhone, or BlackBerry. No matter where you go, Chatter makes sure you have your real-time updates right at your fingertips. That was a quick look at Chatter, a powerful way to collaborate with people in your company, in real time, in a private, completely secure way. So what are you waiting for? It only takes a minute to get started. Simply create your profile, follow your colleagues, and let people know what you're working on.